Hello and welcome to this video. Now in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can actually enable the GDPR settings for your website. Now right now, I'm actually in the editing tab for a website like so. So what I need to do in order to make my website compliant, especially if you're doing cookies and you're collecting that kind of data just to make sure it's compliant, we need to come to the settings cog here, the tab there at the top, you can see next to publish. Once I select it, you'll see a number of different items I can choose from: page information, SEO, favicon, and the very last, number 4, is GDPR. Once I select that, it's now going to open up this new tab here where you can see the setting enable GDPR, and there is GDPR text. Now in terms of this text, we've already put that there for you, so you can actually use that from the very get-go. Or alternatively, if you have your own content, if you have something more specific for your own needs and your TNCs, your terms and conditions, then that's something you can go ahead and you can actually delete, remove, or edit the existing content that's already there for you. Now what I now need to do in order to make this in order to activate this, simply go to enable. Once I do that, you can see now the button has moved to the right and you can see the purple there. I select update GDPR settings and you can see GDPR settings updated successfully. Now let me close that. I would make sure I just save my page just to make sure it is saved, especially with those settings. And next I want to go to publish. Now when I select publish, you can see that's updated. Select publish and you can see this page is active and I have the link now that I can visit to make sure it's working. Now I would recommend open this incognito. So if I right click, you can see incognito window. If you do open this for the first time, you'll see it, but if you've already seen this before and you're testing this on another page and you've accepted, then you won't see this unless you go back in incognito mode. Okay, so for this, let's go into incognito, and as I should expect, at the bottom of the page you can see the GDPR settings. The tab is now viewable and visible. Okay, so enabled, I can actually, as a visitor, imagine a visitor that's coming, you generally see, accept or decline. We use cookies and similar technology to improve our browsing experience and personalize content. By continuing to use our site, you agree to our use of cookies. So that's all set up and that is now been enabled and you are good to go. So hopefully you've enjoyed this very short video on how to enable your GDPR settings. Okay, so I shall see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.